Oh ship! Get ready for cruise ships carrying people who are not vaccinated against COVID-19. That's what you may see as soon as next month, with the COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic still a public health emergency. Gee, what could possibly go wrong? Royal Caribbean International has announced plans to begin sailing 6 of its cruise ships out of southern U.S. ports this July and August. The first to set sail will be the Freedom of the Seas ship out of Miami, Florida, on July 2. The company had originally required guests 18 years and older to be fully vaccinated against COVID-19 and provide proof of vaccination to board their ships. However, the cruise ship company has now done an about face, so to speak. As Taylor Doven reported for the Miami Herald, Royal Caribbean issued a statement on Friday that said, "Guests are strongly recommended to set sail fully vaccinated, if they are eligible. Those who are unvaccinated or unable to verify vaccination will be required to undergo testing and follow other protocols, which will be announced at a later date." Strongly recommended is certainly different from required. When you strongly recommend that proper clothing be worn to a business meeting, technically that slingshot mankini is still fair game. But there is an important difference between wearing a slingshot mankini and being fully vaccinated. It is typically fairly obvious if someone is wearing a slingshot mankini. After all, rarely do you hear someone ask, "Is that person wearing a full business suit or just a suspender man thong?" It's difficult to tell. By contrast, you can't really tell whether someone has been vaccinated unless you actually see that person's COVID-19 vaccination record card and somehow verify that it's not a fake. Once you are on a cruise ship, how can you then tell who should be following additional precautions such as wearing face masks and staying at least 6 feet or 1 Denzel, because Denzel Washington is about 6 feet tall, away from others? Why the change in Royal Caribbean policy? Well, here's what Dolven tweeted. Apparently, Dolven is referring to Florida Governor Ron DeSantis recently signing into law a ban on COVID-19 vaccine passports. That means, as of July 1, the Florida state government could fine a cruise ship operator $5,000 each and every time the cruise ship operator requires proof of vaccination to use their services. Assuming that you have hundreds or even thousands of people on your cruise ships, a quick calculation with your fingers and toes will show that defying this order from the Florida state government could quickly put you out of business.